Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change a reservation without any issue on the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap trips icon. Here you will find all your upcoming and past reservation. Tap on the reservation you want to update. This could be a flight, hotel or car rental. Change reservation. Look for options like manage booking, change or modify. Tap it to see what changes are allowed. For flight, you may be able to change the date or time. For hotels, you might adjust date or guest info. Follow the step-by-step prompts to make your changes. Before confirming, review the change policy. Sometimes bookings are flexible and free to change, while others may charge a fee. If a booking is refundable or flexible, you are good to go. Once everything looks good, tap confirm or save change. You will get a confirmation email and your updated trip will appear in your trips tab. And that's it. You have just changed your reservation without any issue on the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.